Currently 20 degrees with snow and our local Doppler radar. Today, snow tonight, snow Sunday, snow low 26, snow accumulating 33 to 83 inches.
Know your star, Pickle Boy. He hates those goodies. His pickles taste bad. Pickle Boy. White strawberry and tears. And these.
Hey, screw gravity.
Okay, Jim.
I am punching your size! Now, son, don't touch that cactus.
Baby, my brother. I just go to bed.
Would you believe it?
Horrible. I was horrible. So I bought a pizza. I was drinking pizza. It was then I noticed the woman opposite. She was a pizza. I bought a